If you don't like losing money, but still do trades, then listen up for these tips to turn things around. Tip number 1, have a clear strategy. Define your trading goals and stick to a plan. This includes entry and exit points, risk management, and specific criteria for making trades. Number 2, risk management. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and diversify your portfolio to spread risk. Tip 3, stay informed. Keep up with market news, economic indicators, and events that could impact your trades. Knowledge is key to making informed decisions. Number 4, emotional discipline. Trading can be emotional. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Stick to your strategy and stay calm during market fluctuations. And finally, tip number 5, continuous learning. The market is always evolving. Invest time in learning new strategies, analyzing your trades, and understanding different market conditions to improve your skills over time. Remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Happy trading.